13 on Your Side Weather Deck is sponsored by Montel Construction, your home team.
It is the calm before the storm, Colton, and hopefully everyone who's traveling, they're going to be watching to find out when's the best time to travel and when it could be.
Yeah, for sure. Tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, especially, Juliet, will get a little bit dicey across West Michigan as colder air moves in, which will result in lake effect snow. And on top of that, we'll have very strong winds with wind gusts around 55 miles per hour all across West Michigan. Your 13 weather ball heading into our Wednesday. No surprise here is blinking bright. We have rain changing over to snow in sight. Also cooler temperatures in view. This view brought to you by LaFontaine Lincoln of Grand Rapids. Live look right now in a festive downtown Muskegon, sitting at 46 degrees in Muskegon, 43 in Big Rapids, and a little bit warmer down to the south, currently sitting at 50 degrees right now in South Haven. Temperatures will generally hold in the upper 40s overnight tonight, and then there's that cold front moving through, bringing a few rain showers around 1 to 3 a.m. Behind that, temperatures will begin to drop, so we'll start our Wednesday around 40 degrees, but we'll slip into the 30s by the afternoon. The National Weather Service has issued winter alerts beginning tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., lasting through Thursday, Thanksgiving Day at 7 p.m. Everyone is in at least some type of a winter alert. Winter storm warnings to the north and to the south of Grand Rapids, and then winter weather advisories along I-96. Along I-96, we're expecting somewhat less snow. The worst of the conditions by far will be up toward Lake County and also down to the south toward Allegan and Kalamazoo counties. They will likely see upwards of 7 inches of snow. The reason why we will see lake effect snow is this strong cold front just to the west of us. Already seeing some impressive snow totals in northern Minnesota right now. Here's that cold front though, out ahead of it, bringing some rain showers. That will move in later tonight, and then behind that cold front, strong winds will move in, and that will cause cooler temperatures along with that lake effect snow chance heading into our Wednesday afternoon. Hour by hour shows here's that strong cold front knocking on our door by 2 a.m., bringing some light to moderate rain showers. Behind that cold front, rain will begin to change to snow late in the morning, continuing into the early afternoon hours. And then this is the time frame where we're getting concerned, especially for Thanksgiving travel. Along the lakeshore, heavy lake effect snow will be pretty likely, along with very strong winds, which will create nearly whiteout conditions along the lakeshore heading into Wednesday evening. And as temperatures drop into the 20s, slick conditions will likely develop Wednesday night, lasting into Thanksgiving morning. By Thanksgiving Day itself, winds will come out of the northwest, which will allow heavier lake effect snow to set up just south of Grand Rapids and also just north of Muskegon. That's why our snow map has the highest totals just north of Grand Rapids toward Lake County and just south of Grand Rapids toward Allegan and Kalamazoo counties, where they could see 5 to 7 inches of snow in the purple shaded areas. But in general, most of West Michigan will see 1 to 3 inches of snow, if not localized amounts pushing 5 inches. The other story by far will be the wind. This is pretty concerning wind gusts, especially along the immediate lakeshore. Winds could approach 60 miles per hour, which will heighten the risk of seeing whiteout conditions and also possibly a few power outages tomorrow evening. Thankfully though, by the time we get to late in the day Thanksgiving, heading into our Black Friday, the winds will begin to calm down across West Michigan. Now, that's not our only wintry storm moving through West Michigan. We will have another storm system moving in late in the day on Saturday, Saturday night, and Sunday. So if you have travel plans of heading back to West Michigan and across much of the Midwest, we will deal with another storm system moving in this weekend. Tomorrow, expect rain changing over to snow, especially by the time we get to the afternoon hours. Temperatures generally cooling down into the 30s by the afternoon as lake effect snow develops all across West Michigan. Your 13-hour side 7-day forecast shows that winter weather impact alert is in effect beginning Wednesday afternoon, lasting through all day Thanksgiving, and then another one is in effect on Saturday. So, Juliet, we have quite an impactful stretch of weather ahead with lots of snow.
Thank you, Colton.